So here I'll be talking about internet and World Wide Web. But first let's talk about internet. Internet is defined as a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication connecting to millions of computers via routers and servers. What do you mean by router? Router refers to a networking device or tool designed to receive, analyze, and move incoming data between networks. A good example of this is packet Wi-Fi, while server refers to a computer program or device that provides a service to another computer program and its user, and it has two types, file server and web server. Here in the Philippines, we have three internet providers. Number one in the list and the largest network provider is the PLDT or Philippine Long Distance Telephone. Second in the list is the Globe, and lastly, the China Telecom. Next, let's now move on to the World Wide Web, which is referred to as a collection of public websites that are connected to the internet world. In short, WWW is composed of different websites such as Facebook and Google. This website is composed of web pages such as homepage. If a website were a book, then a web page would be a chapter containing information. There are three fundamental technologies that are said to be part of the World Wide Web development. Number one in the list is Hypertext Markup Language or HTML, which is used to create web pages. Second in the list is Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP, which is used to interchange information which can be seen on web pages. A good example of this is Facebook. And last, we have web servers and web browsers. A good example of this are Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Safari. One of the most popular search engine now is Google. Below is an overview of some of the most useful Google search tricks from basic tips to new features. Number one in the list, use quotes to search for an exact phrase. As you can see on the figure, the more you hate, the more you love. By typing in double quotes on that particular phrase at the start and end, Google will provide you with the exact words or phrasing you need. Second, use an asterisk within quotes to specify unknown variables or words. For example, you're not familiar with the more you hate, the more you love quote. So just put an asterisk on it, then Google will provide you word possibilities. And it's also helpful if you're trying to determine a song from its lyrics, but you forgot some of the words, or if you're trying to complete a sentence but could not remember what it was. Third, use the minus sign to eliminate results containing certain words. For example, in the more you hate, the more you love, you want to eliminate love. Just type the minus sign prior the word love, then the Google will not provide you love anymore. Fourth, search websites for keywords. You can specify certain content, format, or files you want Google search to provide. For instance, if you want specifically search for PDF files regarding a certain topic like climate change, simply type the keyword PDF followed by a colon symbol and the topic such as climate change. Fifth, comparing using versus. By using the versus between two words you want to compare, Google will provide an in-depth analysis of two words such as pointing out similarities and difference. For example, you want to compare and contrast ICT and IT. Just type ICT versus IT. 6. Use define to search for the meaning of words. The define keyword provides you a dictionary definition of the word you are trying to search. For example, you want to know the meaning of kin. Just type define kin. And lastly, search images using images. Using your mobile device's camera, you can search for image online by going to Google Images. Activating your camera phone and taking a picture of the image you're searching for, Google will provide you with similar image on the web.